your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make garlic and ginger paste. So guys, let's get started. For this paste, I will be using some ginger roots, garlic cloves, a blender, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, oil, and a jar. Firstly, I'm going to peel them and chop. For this quantity of garlic and ginger paste, a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and again. No more moisture. At this point, you set aside and allow to cool. Ginger and garlic paste is ready. You keep in the refrigerator and this will last for months if properly kept. You make use of it as you wish. Thank you for for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.